welcome back to our channel.
I'm Courtney.
And I'm Candace. Today we're doing a 5-minute tutorial, and our inspiration for this is Pantone's
Color of the Year,
which is Ultraviolet.
We thought we'd do like a quick little look. We're gonna do a fun purple lip and both have pops of color, but also a fairly simple quick look at the same time. So let's get into it. We both are primed and have a full face on.
And our brows are ready to go. So first I am going to dip into this new Tarte palette, Buried Treasure. I'm gonna go all over my lid with Plank.
I'm gonna start building up some of this color called Awe right here.
Next I'm using Booty in my crease.
Next I'm going to be building up this Violence color from Jeffree Star Beauty Killer all over.
Alright, next I'm going into Palm and mixing that with Coin on my whole lid.
Next I'm going to be going into this conveniently purple palette from Urban, the Heavy Metals palette, and I'm going to be going in with the color Metalhead. I'm just going to be packing that on with my finger because I feel like that'll work the best. Sometimes God gave you the best tools.
Okay, so I went ahead and I put a little bit of Dive, which is kind of like a dark purple, on my whole lid. I just wanted it to be a smidge darker than the rest of my lid, but I'm going to now top that with Coin again.
My face over here right now, this is so pretty. Oh. Urban, you did it. You did it. So good.
So I'm going for pretty much overall a very neutral lid, and my pop of purple is gonna actually be on my lower lid. Okay, I feel like I'm pretty good with my eyeshadow. I'm going to start moving on to the purple. All right, I'm going to dip into the Morphe 35B into this purple right there. All right, I'm going to just put that purple all from the inner corner to the outer corner. This is a bright purple, but it's a little bit on the lighter side, but I'm going all the way.
So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just blending out where that purple is meeting the rest of my color that was on my lid. Okay, oh God. To amp up this color, I just did a little bit of setting spray on my brush, and because I really just wanted to not have some fallout, but I popped it in my inner corner over here, and it is intense.
All right, next I'm going to go into the Beauty Killer palette right here. I'm gonna get some Violence, and I'm gonna pop that on my lower lid next.
I'm gonna get some Violence.
I'm gonna get some Violence. Okay, with the Violence, I'm going to kind of bring that down a little bit further. This is a darker shade of purple, and it has more glitter or reflex in it.
I'm gonna be going back into the Violence color and buffing that on my lower lash line.
Alright, I'm going to dip into the Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm gonna get a really bright glitter and pop it on my inner corners.
Okay, next will be lining. Okay, we are back with lashes on.
And liner. And I think next, it's lip time. The lip might be a little too much. I think if I did this really pretty pop of purple on my lower lid, I think normally I would do something a little bit different on my lip, but this is this is totally ultraviolet.
I would never wear a lip color like this, but I don't hate it. I just feel goth. It makes me feel gothic. This is really out of our normal ballpark, but I feel like our photos for this are gonna be bomb. I'm really excited. All right, guys, I think that's all we got for today.
Yeah. Before you go, don't forget to like,
subscribe to our channel,
and comment down below.
Especially if you have a 5-minute suggestion for us to do next time.
Yes.
Also, check these photos out on Instagram at
Courtney and Candace.
Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.